Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to prepare long beans and minced chicken, that is barbati and chicken keema. A very quick and easy recipe with very limited ingredients. You can savor this hot with steamed rice or rotis. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Ingredients required to prepare minced chicken with long beans are 250 gram of boneless chicken. I have washed it and minced it. 300 grams of long beans, that is barbati. I have cut them into 1 inch long. Wash and cut it. 2 medium size onions, chopped in big pieces like this. 1 green chili. I don't want it to be very spicy, so I have just added 1 green chili. You can, if you want it to your recipe to be a little more spicy, you can add more green chilies, or if you don't want green chili at all, you can just remove it. 5 cloves of garlic, roughly just cut into small pieces. 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. I am using the light soya sauce. Black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of corn flour, salt as per our taste, and we'll be using oil for cooking. So let's start cooking. First we are going to marinate this chicken. How we will marinate? We will add this corn flour, black pepper powder, and little bit of soya sauce, not full, just little bit. And then we will mix the minced chicken. Mix it properly. Bas, that's it. Now let's move on to cooking. Once it is mixed properly, we will just keep this aside and move on to cooking now. So I have taken a karai and I will heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a karai. Once the oil gets heated, we will add the chopped garlic, this will give a very nice aroma. And now let us add the onions. Increase the flame and saute the onions till it becomes slightly translucent or it changes its color. So we'll just saute the onion for a while. Now friends, as you can see, our onions are slightly cooked. So we are going to add the minced chicken that we have marinated and kept aside. We will saute it together. I have sauteed the chicken over high flame for 3 minutes, and as you can see, it has changed its color. Now I am going to add the green chilies. We'll saute it for a minute. Now after a minute, I will add the long beans, that is the barbati. Saute it, just mix it. Add the soya sauce, the remaining soya sauce. Very little salt, because soya sauce contains salt, so just very little salt. And lower the flame to medium. Let me mix the salt first. Lower the flame into medium and then cover this and cook for 5 minutes. So friends, after 5 minutes, I will open the lid. As you can see, there's little water, because when we have closed the lid, the long beans released water. Now we will increase the flame and we will saute this for 3 minutes over high flame. If you want, friends, you can add little bit black pepper at this stage. So here is our barbati and chicken ready. Long beans chicken is ready, friends. We will put off the flame and transfer it to the serving bowl. So here is our long beans and chicken recipe ready, minced chicken. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. And please also share my recipe. Thanks for watching, friends. Bye.